1,000 Texans have tested positive since March, and state leaders say they haven't been able to contact every Texan who's tested positive. They say they would need a team of around 4,000 contact tracers to do that.
The Department of State Health Services wants to hire up to 5,000 Texans by the end of the month to help with contact trace case managers and epidemiologists.
But as Candy Rodriguez found out, a local group hopes to turn these temporary opportunities into long-term solutions.
Right now, those at Workforce Solutions Rural Capital Area tell me they're directing those interested in contact tracing to take a free online Johns Hopkins course for basic training. But the goal is to team up with their higher education partners to come up with a course or training program that will lead to careers. Currently, if you're interested in applying to become a contact tracer, you don't necessarily need to have a medical background. They're looking for folks who at least have a high school diploma, as well as communication and computer skills. Pay is anywhere from $14 to $19 an hour. Benefits depend on the employer, which could be the State Department, a local agency, or a hospital. All of these details are being discussed right now as officials say the need to fill these jobs is immediate.
We need to make sure that we can have these positions filled so that we can mitigate any type of outbreak that happens in the community and really kind of quickly identify what happened, what caused it to happen, and how we can prevent that from happening again. So, this is very critical for us, and it's a high priority for us to really kind of recruit quickly and get those positions filled.
In Travis County, Workforce Solutions Capital Area says they're working with Austin Public Health to figure out when they will begin to assist in hiring. Both organizations tell me they will use the National Dislocated Worker Grant funds they received from the Texas Workforce Commission to help cover part of the wages for these jobs. Back to you.
All right, thanks, Candy. And right now, Texas Workforce Commission leaders tell us that there are thousands of other jobs available online that are all ready to be filled. We've got a link for you posted on our website.